will go down as one of the most interesting in Nigeria, as the most anticipated show on television. Big Brother Titans return live to your living room. This edition of the Big Brother will be different, as Biggie this time decided to pitch Nigerians and South Africans in the same house. Let's just hope that the Titans come out unscattered. Moving on, the wife of the host, Cynthia, shocked Big Brother fans when she told the world that her husband Ebuka was seriously ill during the premiere of the show. His wife stated that her husband has been under the weather for a while but had to brace himself up to host because he loves his job. Nobody even noticed the charismatic host was sick. Dude is too handsome to crack. The Baby Titans has barely begun before Nigerians and South Africans started strangling each other on social media. Trust Nigerians now. The 2-3-4 keeper Tigers accused South Africans of being xenophobic in nature, and they see no reason why Nigerians should be in the same house with them. Firing back, South Africa on social media also labeled Nigerians as arrogant, pompous, and too broke for their level of confidence. Omo, that was below the belt, sha. Moving on, while Nigerians and South Africans were having a go at one another online, the BB Titans kicked on in fashionable style. The housemates elected Mmeli as the first head of house. Trust Nigerians to always protest, but unfortunately, their anger cannot change the decision of the housemates. It's barely a week into the house and lovebirds are already showing their faces. South African housemate Kosi, who claims to be in a very happy relationship, was quick to jump at Yemi. Trust the Yoruba demons to always strike at close range. After locking lips with Kosi, Yemi has since dumped Kosi and is currently in an entanglement with a fellow Nigerian housemate, Sandra. While Kosi and Yemi were busy exchanging saliva in the house, another housemate, JP, also busy lamenting that she might not be able to cope with the long duration without engaging in sexual activities. The curvy housemate maintains that sex comes naturally to her, but the best time to really get down was during the night, when everything is dark, cool, and quiet. Ogao, these people self. Well, that is our weekly rundown for the week. Do endeavor to check out our previous edition and stay tuned for the next one.